The difference between these two bags is cross cans and whole cans. So in this video I'm going to show you what I do to recycle some aluminium cans. Where do I get all these cans? Next door is a school, and I asked the children ages from 3 to 6 to bring some cans. And then I buy it from them for 20 cents each. What I get for a can is 25 cents each, so not a really lot of money for me, but I am helping them counting their own cans, counting the money that I am getting. Not even 100 tons. So the value of aluminium in South Africa, it is April 2026, is around 16 rand per kilogram. I'm living in a small town, so I don't have a lot of options where I can sell my tins. Well, there's not a lot of things I can say or show in this video, except what I did. It is a lot of work, compressed in a very small video. So I hope you're watching it, because I'm not sure what I could have done else to make the video more interesting. In the description I will give some information about the weight, the count of the total tins, and what the money was that I got for it. So you're welcome to go and take a look there. If there is any queries or anything, you are welcome to leave some comments. Yeah. If you people out there have other suggestions that I can do with these cans, you are welcome to let me know. Now you just have to watch till the end to see the final count of this crushed cans and how much I got into that bag. Enjoy watching. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and follow me for more videos in the future. Thank you very much.